Today we are being a tourist in our own city and staying at Miami Beach, which is a first. We've never stayed. We don't even go to Miami Beach very often. So we're being a tourist in our own city and staying here for a day and a half or so. And we're gonna do a bunch of Miami Beach things.
A little touristy stuff.
And we are staying at the Crescent Hotel, which is literally right across from the ocean, like the ocean's right there. And it's right down Ocean Drive, so we've got the whole world in our hands. And it's kind of cool because this road is blocked off, so cars can't even come through here. Right behind our hotel, in this little alleyway, there's this really cool little photo spot that I want to take a picture. It looks like a giant, like, beach ball that got stuck in between the buildings. Or an egg, yeah. By the way, it says, take a photo of the Betsy Orb, follow, tag, and post the alley and the Betsy Hotel. And then come in to receive a free gelato with the pizza order. Well, we have to order pizza, but hey. So now we're heading to Lincoln Road, and we have a Groupon that we actually have for a place called 7 Spices, along with some other spots we're gonna check out there too. By the way, we did do a video at Señor Frog's, and I will link that right up above in case you're curious. They do have drag brunch, and I would love to do that someday, but I think it's on the weekends. There's a spot here that has happy hour and karaoke, and they do Soul Sundays, Drag Fridays. This looks fun. Right down there is Española Way on Washington Ave and Española Way, and we're gonna come back to that. I think it'll look really pretty at nighttime. And now we're on Lincoln Road, which is like a huge long strip of restaurants and shopping and bars and lounges and everything. The one thing that sucks about being at Miami Beach is that even in the evening, it is still hot and humid, and I'm already sweating from just walking for like 5 minutes.
Well,
I'm already getting little beads of sweat on my face, and I'm like, why? I just put on makeup for. Here on Lincoln Road is Timeout Market, and we're gonna pop in. We also did a video here once, a while back. Oh, they're closed? Okay, just kidding. They're closed on Mondays and Tuesdays, so never mind. But we have been there before. It is a good spot. There's like, it's like a food hall where there's a lot of options. Okay, so something kind of cool just happened. We got recognized for our videos. The one specifically at Versace. And if they are watching right now, shout out to the couple. Yep. I hope you guys are enjoying your Miami vacation. But it's really cool that we got recognized. That's never happened. So we're like really? We made it to 7 Spices. So we got the 7 Spice Mojito, and it is delicious.
Very spicy.
A little spicy. It's got a lot of flavor. It's really nice. It has basil, rum, mint leaves, lime, ginger, beer, and chili flakes. Very fun. Got some halloumi cheese, and it looks delicious. And we have some little olives and tomatoes and onions. Little tomato. That was a lovely little appetizer. And now we're gonna head to Española Way and get more food and drinks. It's kind of crazy how quiet it is right now, considering that it's like 8 o'clock, Miami Beach in the summer, and it's like quiet and not that packed. I'm confused. I thought I'd be like super busy. We just got soaked. We were walking back towards Española Way, towards our hotel, and then it just started raining, and you know.
Got a little wet. It could have been worse. Could have started
you can see,
right in Lincoln Road.
You see all the water everywhere on my face. At least the hotel was close by, so we can wait it out. And that is what a summer in Miami is like. Expect rain. I got the tropical sour, and you got the
rum punch.
Rum punch. Cheers. a Cuba Libre, and here's my little Diet Coke that I'm gonna pour into it. And then this is a mojito with the sugar cane just inside of it. That's fun. You can chew that.
Yeah, but it has the skin on it.
No, you chew. Oh, I don't know. I don't know how. I think you can chew it. We got a pan con lechon because Cuba. Of course, I had to get a Cuban coffee to finish the meal off. Cheers. It's everyone's birthday today. On the way to the beach, which is like when was the last time we were at the beach? Maybe like
I don't know, a long time ago. 2 years?
2 years ago. So we're gonna go to the beach finally. So the humidity is really bad, that's why you can't see anything. The lens keeps getting fogged up. Oh my god. Well, I hope you guys are enjoying this beautiful view. No, it's like fogged. Okay, we're heading out again to Lincoln Road, and we went to the beach and it was nice. It did not rain, which is a miracle.
Yeah, it was thundering for a little bit.
We thought we were gonna get rained on. We got lucky. Got a little tan. Let's see if I can show. I guess you can't tell. So now we are going to go to Nespresso. Yesterday we wanted to come to Timeout Market, but it was closed. I think it's open on Wednesdays, and now it's a Wednesday, so let's see if we can actually go to Timeout Market. Oh, Wednesday through Thursday from 4 to 10. What time is it now?
But it's not.
3:30. Well, I guess we'll be back. We tried again with Timeout, but when we come back from Nespresso,
25 minutes.
Yeah, we can get it. Nespresso and a little doggy.
They don't have like a restaurant. Oh my god. Where's the hole?
Thank you. This is delicious. We got cinnamon brown sugar iced lattes. Mine is almond milk and his is oat. And they're delicious. Like wow. Like wow. There's like an art gallery right here that's very sparkly. Wow. Okay, this is kind of creepy. This looks like that episode in it's like the first episode of Doctor Who where all the mannequins come to life. What I'm saying? You never saw it? Yep.
No,
all right. Comment down below if you did. All right. Third time's a charm. It's open. We haven't been here in so long.
Most of the places.
Oh, but most of it's closed. Let's see how many booths are actually open. Is it happy hour?
You didn't get that on camera, right?
I definitely did.
Alright. And your pomegranate.
Thank you. So this is the port of call, which is one of the happy hour drinks. And this is the pomegranate gin and tonic. Cheers. Like it tastes like Christmassy.
Yeah, try yours.
I feel like it's Christmas in July. We got some salchipapas, which is a Colombian dish of tater tots, chorizo, and chicharrones. Little pork, fried pork, from the Erapitas bar. And then we got some medianoche croquetas from the local Cuban cuisine. Yeah, open it up, let's see what it looks like. It's too hot. Got that medianoche croqueta feeling. We found ourselves in this like oasis of a rooftop bar
On Lincoln.
on Lincoln Road, and now we're gonna get some cocktails because that's basically all we do on this trip.
Yeah, go with that.
Thank
Thank you.
you. So what is mine again? The verde margarita, and you got the what?
Living in the bubble.
Living in a bubble. Cheers. Well, it's our last night, and we're basically gonna just see what we do. We're not sure ever what we're about to go do. We're gonna go look for New York style pizza if they have it.
If not, we'll get Napolitana pizza.
Yeah, if not, something like that. And then get drinks. What else do we? That's all we've been doing this whole trip.
Right.
And look for some live music. That'll be nice. Maybe some live music. A drag show again, perhaps.
Yeah.
We'll see. It's just weird how there's not like a ton to do. Like you would think Miami Beach in the summer, but it's kind of like there's not like a ton of stuff to do. So
And on the weekend, there's like clubs and all that
right.
stuff. We don't like that.
We're
anyways.
here, yeah, we're here during the weekdays. But yeah, we're also not club people, so even if there were clubs, we probably wouldn't be going to them. Oh, it's so quiet. It's always so quiet when we walk out here. We could go back to the ocean.
Good.
And get a night swim in.
Oh no.
I don't know about that, it's kind of creepy. Well, there goes the New York style pizza that I was thinking about. But there is another place nearby. Oh, there's Front Port Cafe. So we had a Groupon for this spot over here, but it's only for dinner.
And they're closed today.
And they're closed for dinner the nights that we're here. So like, what the heck? So we were gonna try to get a slice of pizza here at the alley, and they're closed. Well, we found a pizza bar that, according to Yelp, looks like kind of like New York style pizza. Thin crust is our favorite, so we're looking for thin crust, and this one looks legit. Yes, this looks very good. This pizza is crazy. This is the size of my hand. So we actually came back to the hotel so we could drop off this because we didn't finish the pizza because they were so big. So you guys, size does matter. we're heading home and vacation is over, and it's just funny because home is like half an hour away. It's not like we have to go on an airplane and go back home from Miami Beach, but
yeah, that's nice.
yeah, that's the advantage. And it was nice. I mean, I think it's cool if you live in Miami to come visit certain spots in Miami Beach, but just staying there for a few days can be like, I don't know, like you have to have plans. Like maybe you have to like make a plan on exactly where you want to visit, because if you're just gonna roam around, there's a lot to do, but there's also not that much to do. I don't know, it's all the same anyways. It's just food and restaurants and bars and drinking, and it's, you know, there's, I guess obviously there's Club Madonna if you want to go to a strip club, and if you're looking for clubs, I'm sure there's, I mean, we didn't look for clubs, but I'm sure they exist. But I thought, you know, it was nice. The best part was the beach, I think. And probably second place would go to the Palace.
Right.
I think that's the funnest spot to visit. The drag show is just, it's a fun little spot to grab a drink and watch a show. So there was also a place called Mango's Tropical Cafe that was a $20 entrance fee, and in there it looked like it was a party. It was like salsa dancing and there was live music, and I think that would have been cool, but it would have been like 40 bucks just to walk in between the two of us. So I was, you know, but I'm sure that place is cool. And that's that was a Wednesday. I can't imagine the weekends how it gets. There was a line to get in too. So, you know, but there are Clevelander and certain places that I thought were way more of a party. There was like no party going on. It was like super quiet. So Ocean Drive I thought was gonna be like lit. The whole area I thought would be like crazy, and it was super quiet, and there were only certain little places like the Palace and Mango's Tropical Cafe, and like right, that had a crowd and had music, but everywhere else was like, there was a flamenco dancer at one point, and it was very quiet with like acoustic guitar, and it was just like, which is cool if you're looking for that. If you're looking for like, you know, a quiet Miami Beach vacation and you're not looking for the party part.
Yeah, it's come in the summer.
Come in the summer then, yeah. It's actually not bad.
Or if you have a family, maybe it's probably the best time for them.
Yeah. There were kids. I was surprised to see. I was surprised to see how many kids were just running down Ocean Drive. But yeah, it was still kind of cool to get away and be a tourist in our own city. So not bad.